Hello guys, I'm Alan Quez. To tell you in this tutorials how to stop any update on any particular iPhone device. Sometimes as we know that beta version and of course the public beta, they are the recommending of course to update on your iPhone device, or any update is coming, you are not interested to update, then how do you stop it permanently? Yeah, sometimes it's having the problem on an operating system of the Windows also, but the similar of course on a OS operating system also. So how do I? Yes, in iOS, how do I? Firstly we will check it out that manually. It is recommending to update, then of course we will stop it. If not the recommending, however of course we will stop it the permanently updates. So how do I? We'll come to general to tab on especially the software update. So now here it's essentially the up to date, but of course yes, when the update will come, so then directly it will recommend and automatically it will be updated. So because it is on automatic updates option, so how would I go for off? See, the one thing more here I would like to tell you here, the directly also you can off it, but of course by offing also sometimes it's going to update. So in that conditions, make it all the off option here. Then yes, we'll go for any administration. So this will be a permanent matter, and thereupon of course here we will have to see this device has been connected here right now. So of course we will come the smart flash to now see we have especially 18.5 and any beta versions that 18.576 is the iOS. If I click on the firmware in the coming on 26 is especially June, there is also one iOS is coming. So if it will be recommended to especially automatically issue, in that can is how I stop it. Of course we will come the toolbox, so we have the option stop update, and here we'll go for sending off especially yes description files to iDevice, and if I go for the send it, then automatically this of course will stop to update any kind of this facial app the iOS on any particular iPhone device, guys. So hardly we can tap on send and we will go for OK. So it will be, and once again if we after disable it, once again if it is enable, we will have to disable, and this thing also we will have to go for here send the descriptions the files to this device. After that of course it will be completely stopped. But if you would like to once again go for facial apps and updations, then you will have to make it enable, then go for here you will have options to enable it. Then this is all about to know more information about any kinds of these facial apps in the post box, and then please have the query below the comment box. Please drop the query in the comments box. Plus would reminds to the reply the query in course of times. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys. Thank you for visiting Technology Welfare. Bye bye.